how to buy Pi Network token. So this token came under the symbol of Pi, and this is the new Pi token. If you go on their X account on Twitter, you will be able to see this post from the official website. Go and check this post there. So as you can see, and before that, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is created 12 hours ago and increased by 10,000% in the last 24 hours. Now this token, as you can see, trending #1 on Pulse chain section. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here on trade paid to WPLS. So after you click on it, click here to expand this window, and you will be able to read access to Go Plus exchange platform. So connect your wallet first, select your wallet. For that I will use the Phantom wallet. Click on connect. So after you connect your wallet, what you need to do here, just type here how much you want to buy, but make sure that you have this token Pulse on your wallet. So here type how much you want to buy of that token you have on your wallet. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. So you need to switch to Pulse chain on your network, because as you can see, it's not supported. So I will just switch the network from here, as you can see. So I will click here and disconnect. So I will connect my wallet. I will select the Trust wallet for that. Sorry guys, I will just log into my wallet. So click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to Go Pulse exchange platform, what you need to do is switch to switch chain, as you can see. So click on approve. Now after that, click on switch. So as you can see here, but make sure that you have, or select any token that you want, for example USDT. As you can see here, you can select it. So make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet under the Pulse chain. So here type how much you want to buy of that USDT, and here we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, click on swap, and as you can see, you have no USDT. So if you have an USDT on your wallet, a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Pi Network token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.